Merong umorder sa atin dito sa TikTok shop na taga South Cotabato. Big shoutout kay Ma'am Sherlyn na umorder ng 1 litro na honey. Ma'am, ito na po yung in-order ninyo na 1 liter bottle. Now today is Tuesday, February 3. Today po ang pickup. Please expect this to arrive at your place on or before 5 days from now. Now let's say sabihin na lang natin to make safe mga weekend, darating po dyan Tuesday po ngayon. Now here's what you're going to receive on weekend. Yung in-order po ninyong 1 liter bottle, you're going to receive free organic lemons and you're going to receive 1 free honey dipper. It's a 1 wooden honey dipper, no? You're going to receive a lot of freebies, Ma'am Sherlyn. There you go. This is just a quick video. In-update ko lang po kayo. So on weekend, please expect this order. Give me as well your honest feedback kung pwede nyo rin po ako mabalitaan once you've on hand mo na po ito. Ma'am, South Cotabato po kayo, pang diinan po. Medyo binalot-balot ko po talaga ito. Baka mahirapan po kayong buksan ito. Ayoko lang mabasag ito sa biyahe at mapahiya sa inyo. I just wanna make sure na makakarating to sa inyo nang hindi basag. Maiintindihan nyo po itong sinasabi ko once na onhan nyo na ito, no? Baka mahirapan po kayong buksan. Maraming salamat po ulit. God bless you. Take care.